Hello. So today's the day when we start to use the Viper plasma cutter that I've just bought. Never used a plasma cutter before. So the plan is to cut around the floor pans. Even though I've removed the rear suspension in the front, still super heavy. I'm having trouble getting it around the workshop. I guess it'll be lighter once the pans are out, but even so, it's not awesome. One floor pan's out, but what I had not contended with was how difficult it would be to get the remaining stuff off of the spine. So this has not come off very well, and I was using an air chisel, but perhaps it was not sharp enough, and it's a bit damaged the spine. I've actually, I think, cut into the spine here somewhere. Here. What I didn't realise is this actually seems to be double skinned. So these two pieces are part of the spine, I think. And then there's a piece that goes on top. See here? 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping that this part will come off the spine maybe a little easier. This is much sharper than yesterday. Hoping it'll make a better job of it. I'd say that's a much more successful go at that. The trick to this was a sharper chisel, basically, and it all came off in about 20 minutes. So that's it done. The plasma cutter did a great job of cutting through that metal. It was a great investment, and once I had a sharper tip on the air chisel, it did a really good job of removing the rest. There's a little bit more grinding to do, but all I need to do now is just clean it up a little bit more, get it ready for some welding, and then eventually some painting. Thanks for watching the video. No doubt there'll be a few more on those topics. If you enjoyed this one, please maybe give me a like or hit the subscribe button,